I thought I would make a video for you guys of what I'm up to today. Doing a little bit of electrical work, putting sockets on walls, running cable. I will do a proper video. This is our house renovation project, and there are some videos of the house from when we had it listed for sale to when we brought it to when we've done a little bit of work. I'll do another third part or whatever to that soon, but yeah, just thought I'd show you what I'm up to. It's interesting to some people maybe, and why we're doing it. I'm not an electrician, I'm not a builder, but I've learned a lot about houses and how to do a lot of these jobs since getting here and since renovating a few. The last house we did, we channelled out all the walls, ran all the cable through the walls as you normally do. With this one, the walls were in such good condition that they only needed to be skimmed, and channeling out makes such a lot of mess. And my plastering skills are okay, but they're not really good enough to like just do one skim over where I've channelled out. It was taking me like 2 or 3 goes every time to skim over it, sand it down, skim over it again, trying to get it all perfect so you couldn't see. So these walls just got skimmed. We're running the cable on the outside of the walls, and yeah, like as you can see here, so light switch cable's coming down here to the switch, running to the light which I put up there, and yeah, then I've got one line coming down here to socket, and another 6 sockets in this room. And this is going to be baby's room, so I've done these ones which are spring loaded. We'll plug them as well to make them extra safe, but extra deterrent. And just around these gaps and joins here where it all meets, I'll put some decorator's cork or some acrylic, just tidy it all up a little bit in the corners here as well, just a little bit of cork. But yeah, that's it. It's much easier doing this, and I had some help with the electrics, setting up the fuse box. Had some advice on what size cable to buy, European standard. You know, the Bulgarians will actually use much thinner cable, and they don't earth a lot of the time. I had some help from an electrician to get the fuse box set up and help me run the cable, but now everything's in place. I'm just connecting it all up, and it's really easy. It's a really cheap and easy way to do it. If you can, you know, I actually really enjoy doing this electrical work. This is what we're doing. Black cable through here. And it's just, you know, as long as live goes to live, neutral goes to neutral, earth goes to earth, it's pretty simple. You can't go too far wrong. I find it quite relaxing. So that's how it's going. A couple more rooms to wire, lots of finishing off job, carpet coming in here next week, and yeah, I'll fit the carpet, put the skirting board in. This room is done, just needs decorating. A little bit of touching up on the paint to do in the corners, and a few little patches. But yeah, there you have it. It's how we're wiring up our house. Any questions, leave us a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.